Greetings, COMM 3340. Greetings, COMM 334 students, and welcome to a new semester at the University of Houston downtown. My name is Dr. Karshima Murray, and I am extremely excited to work with you this semester in communication and leadership. As a student in communication and leadership, you will focus on leadership as a process. And so in this course, we will examine the manner in which an individual influences a group of individuals to achieve a common goal through numerous strategies, including communication. This course, in many ways, bridges the gap between popular approaches and theoretical approaches to understanding leadership through a real-world organizational context. And so, in addition to learning about various leadership approaches, as well as various leadership theories, you will have an opportunity to study communication and to more so study communication behaviors of successful leaders. We'll look at women in leadership, we'll look at culture in leadership, we'll also take a gander and look a little bit at leadership ethics. And so at this moment, you are currently looking at your Blackboard course shell. And so I want to take a moment and just scroll through the course shell so that you can become familiar with some of the areas that we will look at on a weekly basis. And so as you're looking at the Blackboard page, we're going to start here. And so you see the course introduction letter, our course syllabus, as well as our course timeline, and a little note about ways to navigate this course. You'll click on announcements, and here you will receive at least 2 announcements from me a week regarding information that you should stay abreast on in our class. And here's my welcome letter to you. We'll go to our discussion board. And so your very first assignment in this class is an introduction to storyboards. And if you click on here, you'll see that I have the very first post. And then right below this, there's a post on the leadership forum. And so with the leadership forum for our course, it's just a way for students to discuss their thoughts regarding any course materials that are not directly related to a discussion board post assignment. You'll find your grades linked here, and you'll find our weekly course module. And so starting here, this is where you will see the weekly information and weekly assignments. And so for the very first assignments, you have your syllabus verification quiz, an APA quiz. You'll need to submit your avatar here. And this area just highlights the information on how to upload the avatar. And so you may say, oh, Dr. Murray, I already have an avatar on my Blackboard profile. Well, make sure you still upload an avatar picture here. Here is the official storyboard discussion post. And then down here, I provided each of you with an article on what to expect with online classes. I know many of you all may be pros with taking online courses, but just wanted to take a moment and have a little bit of a refresher. In this area, there are course resources. So all of your papers in this class will be written in APA. Your final project for this class is a digital storytelling assignment. You'll have 4 journal prompts in this course. This link shows some helpful hints, and this is information about your source short paper. And then my office hours, if you can't physically come in to see me or call me on the phone, you'll click this link right here. During my office hours time, I'll be on and you'll be able to connect with me. And this is just another link to the discussion board. And so I hope that quick tour was very helpful for you all in terms of being able to successfully navigate this course. After I record this video, you will actually see it pop up here in the weekly course modules, week 1. And then the video, I'll place it right here above the storyboard introduction discussion post. So take a moment, look through the course, click on all the tabs, thoroughly read through the course syllabus, go ahead and put all the dates for the course from the course timeline on your calendars and get ready for a very successful and fun semester. I look forward to working with you all over the course of the next 16 weeks. All the best, Dr. Murray.